What's up YouTube? I am back with another Chebeusa review and hair tutorial. I am working on freshly washed hair, and I will list the products I used in this video in the description box below, including the shampoo and deep conditioner because I really loved how well it cleansed my hair. If you watched my videos before, I am just showing you how I am moisturizing each section by pinning up my hair and focusing on the back. Taking warm water, emphasis on warm for my low porosity folks watching. I am going to drench my hair completely to distribute product evenly throughout my hair. Water definitely does lay on top of low porosity hair, so to open up those hair follicles, it's very important to use warm water. Taking one of my absolute favorite products from Chebeusa, the Ambunu Curl Defining Cream, I'm going to spread that thing all over my hair from ends to roots. Focusing the product on the ends of your hair is best since your ends are the oldest part of your hair. Next, taking the Chebe paste, I'm going to follow up with that on top of the Ambunu cream. The Chebe paste has a very strong scent, which I am personally not too fond of. I typically like lighter scents, however, it worked well with adding shine to my hair, and I felt that my hair was a lot stronger, which is perfect for anti-breakage. As you can see, my hair looks really good after adding these products to my hair. Now taking my tangle teaser, I will detangle my hair thoroughly and twist it to get that hair out of the way so I can focus on the other sections. So that's basically what I'm going to do to the remainder of my hair. So I'm not going to show you any of those repeated steps. And as you can see, the shampoo that I used from Chebeusa worked really well on my hair. It cleansed my scalp perfectly. So I will list that shampoo that I use in the description box below. Now working on one side of my head, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and make a side part. When I do Dutch braids, it doesn't really matter if my part is in the middle or on the side. It just depends on how I want to style it for that day. Now taking the Chebeusa hair grease, I am going to apply that to my edges and on the outer part of my hair. I was a little thrown off by the consistency, as you can see. Not that there's anything wrong with it, it's just not what I expected. Growing up, hair grease was always really thick. However, this has a thin and watery consistency, but that was perfect for distributing it throughout my hair. You definitely don't need much, and the shine was amazing. So now I'm beginning to braid my hair, and I just grab small pieces of hair from each side as I braid. And this is something that honestly took practice, so don't expect to be good the first time that you braid your hair. My braids used to be really, really loose when I first started braiding my hair, and I just kept practicing until my braids got tighter. And side note, ignore my facial expressions. I just have the worst faces at times, but it's just because I'm focusing hard. So detangling as I go, I try to do that to get a really smooth braid, and I'm just going to braid my hair all the way down. This is really an exercise for real because my arms get so tired, but at the end of the day, the end result is what you want. So I just kind of like take the pain and try to just tell myself you're almost done braiding your hair. So once I get towards the end, after braiding my hair all the way down, I just lock it in with a finger coil. And voila, one braid is done. Y'all, my braids have gotten so long. I remember 3 years ago, my braid would stop at my neck, and now she's long and pretty. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side of my head the same way until both braids are done. So now both braids are done, and yeah, they look really good. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take my rat tail comb again, and I'm going to smooth out the longer side of my hair. And then I'm going to take some rubber bands to put them on the ends of my hair. This helps with when I pin my braids up, it holds them in place. And then taking 4 bobby pins, I'm going to pin my braids up for a halo-like effect. So now I am all done. I added some baby hairs, and it actually came out really cute, y'all. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And make sure you use my code LiloIndigo for 15% off your entire order at checkout. It will be linked in the description box below.